Hello friends, welcome back to Ezekiel Learning. Need to count specific data in Excel? Whether it's attendance, sales or service, the COUNTIF function is your game changer. I will show you step by step how it works, real life examples and pro tips to level up your skills. Okay, let's jump right in. The COUNTIF function is one of the most powerful tools in Excel. It's designed to count the number of cells in a range that meet a specific condition. For example, you can count how many times orange appear in a list, or how many numbers are greater than 30 in a range. Formula syntax: range, the group of cells you want to evaluate. Criteria, the conditional rule that defines what to count. It could be a number, text, or even a formula. The criteria must be written in quotes if it's text or includes symbols. Let's see how to use COUNTIF with a simple example. First, decide which cells I want to count. For example, let's use A to D10, where I have a list of fruits. First, select an empty cell, type $, COUNTIF. Double-click the COUNTIF function. Select the range A to D10. Add a comma. Now add criteria, quotation marks or ends. Close the formula, finally press enter. Excel will count all the cells in that range containing orange and return the result. For numbers, type $, COUNTIF. Select the range. Type quotation marks greater than 30. This will count all values greater than 30 in the range. Now press enter. Now let's apply COUNTIF to some real life examples. Count how many students are present in a class. Type $, COUNTIF. Select the range, type quotation mark fee and press enter. Done. To count blank cells, type this formula and press enter. You can also count how many people answered yes to a question in a survey and so on. While the COUNTIF function is a fantastic tool, it does have a few limitations. COUNTIF can only handle one condition at a time. It treats uppercase and lowercase text as the same. You can't use COUNTIF for ranges that are not continuous. And that's the magic of COUNTIF function. It's perfect for quickly analyzing your data, whether it's attendance, sales or service. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Ezekiel Learning for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching.